Here's a whole presentation dedicated to integrating quotations without punctuation. If you integrate a quotation without any punctuation, the quotation must fit naturally with your own words. For example, Simon describes how the wolf and bear were seen traveling, hunting, and sharing food together for 10 days. The zoologist revealed that owls have a pair of slender legs under their fluff. The newspaper said that this year in Chicago the railroad tracks need to be on fire to keep the trains moving. When integrating without punctuation, there are many things that need to work together, like pieces of a puzzle, to create a whole. Two of these things are pronouns, like I, you, she, he, our, it, they, we, us, and their, and verb tense, the past perfect, the present, etc. Pronouns. The zoologist revealed that owls have a pair of slender legs under their fluff. The pronoun there, in the quotation, matches with owls have, outside the quotation. If the pronoun in the quotation was its, it would have to match with an owl has. Now for verb tense. The newspaper said that this year in Chicago the railroad tracks need to be on fire to keep the trains moving. The verb need in the quotation matches with this year outside the quotation. If the verb in the quotation was needed, it would match with last year. When you integrate a quotation without punctuation, you can actually make changes to the quotation so that the sentence flows more naturally. For example, the narrator is as hopeful about this outing as I am desperate. I am is awkward because it refers to the writer of the sentence rather than the narrator. Replace I am with she is or he is in square brackets. Square brackets tell your reader that you've made a change to the quotation. So when integrating without punctuation, watch out for mismatched pronouns and verb tenses, and make changes with square brackets where necessary.